Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with power and signal right away. First, make sure the amp has stable mains power and the front LED is normal. A tripped breaker or blown fuse stops sound. Then verify speaker wiring and impedance match so the amp isn't protected or clipping. Once done, isolate the input by patching a known good source and cable into the channel to eliminate mixer or instrument faults. This step tells you whether the problem lies in power, input, or speaker wiring, so proceed deliberately. Now you focus on the signal chain and internal behavior. Reduce gain and raise it slowly while listening. This reveals clipping or a misset trim. Make sure mutes and routing aren't engaged and that EQ/filters aren't attenuating the band you expect. If the amp has protection LEDs or thermal indicators, note their state. Overheating causes shutdown or distortion. Swap inputs between channels and use the line out or headphone jack to determine whether preamp or power amp stage is at fault. Finish by taking direct corrective steps based on what you found. If speakers are fine, inspect internal components. Look for swollen capacitors, burned resistors, or cold solder joints and replace or reflow as needed. Proceed only if you're experienced. If the power supply is noisy or rails are off, address the supply caps and rectifiers. Finally, if things still misbehave, document the exact symptoms, what you changed, and one reliable troubleshooting tip. Swap in a no.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.